Good morning. We're here today with Jason Wenzel from Clark Street School. Go Cougars!
Thank you. First off, I'd like to thank the Brewers so much for letting us use the HopSports in the Milwaukee Public School District. It's a great system. I advise anybody to give it a try. So much stuff that the kids can use to get fit, to get healthy. Thanks again to the Brewers. This is my second time using the HopSports system. I'd like to show you how to set it up and how to use it and what's included when they drop off the system at your school.
All right, let's start with the setup.
When the Brewers drop it off, they'll give you the cart, the rolling cart. You have to put that together. That's pretty self-explanatory. You got your computer hard drive, you got your projector, and you also have your speaker system, which is over here, and I'll demonstrate how to take that apart first. Once you get the cart put together, you just kind of follow everything's marked on the wires. You just plug, B into B, so on and so forth into the back, and it's all color coordinated. If it's not color coordinated, we've tried to mark where different things go. You plug in the power. There's a power strip on the side, multiple power strip on the side, so that you can plug in all the things that need to be plugged in. And then there's a one single strip that will go to your main power source. This is from the projector to the computer itself. That's what allows the picture to shine up on the wall, which we'll demonstrate in a minute. Here's the power. You have your mouse that plugs in with a USB connection into the back. Doesn't matter which USB it goes into. I like to feed it through here. There. You have your keyboard, which you don't use very often, but it's just in case you need to type something in. This is your remote sensor. There is a remote so that you can stop and pause and whatever you need to do while the kids are exercising, and that goes into another USB remote or USB plug. And then you're ready to hook up your speaker system. The speaker system is right here. It comes together in a portable setup here. You undo it sort of like a suitcase, pop them open, and you have your two speakers and your plug-in system. I like to use a couple scooters that I have on hand for easy moving of the speakers. And that's just something I prefer, just so I can move the speakers around as I need without picking them up and carrying them around and risk dropping them. On the back of the middle, there's a storage compartment. When you slide it up and you pop it open, there's some microphones. If you needed a microphone, there are some speaker wires, which you are going to use, and usually the power cord will be in there. So, plug in the speakers. There's a small plug-in on the bottom. You plug it in there, and then you work your way to the front, and they are marked with two small arrows where the speakers go. Plug them in there. Occasionally they'll come loose a little bit, and you'll notice that the sound quality is not the same. If you notice that maybe one speaker's louder than the other, always check, because sometimes they do get knocked loose, or and you'll notice that the sound's not quite up to par. So you plug it into the middle and into the speaker, and your speakers are ready to go once they are connected to the actual computer. And you're going to need this cord right here. It is marked with a white piece of gym tape. It says green to speaker. You find the green on the green square on the back. Plug it in there. You go down to the middle, and it's marked here, white and red. And obviously you go color to color. And your speaker system is set up, and your HopSports is set up, and you're ready to go. Also included in the with the HopSports system, you're going to get a pile of bags, 20, 25 bags, full of these foam exercise mats. They fit together like a puzzle. It's a personal area for the kids to stand on, whether they're doing lunges or jumping jacks or whatever it is. It's a personal area. It's up to you whether or not you want to use them. You'll get a box of jump ropes. There's a lot of jump rope activities included in HopSports. And you'll receive a bunch of exercise bands, the rubber exercise band. Oh, and the physio balls. You'll receive a box of physio balls that you can blow up, and they'll be used in different stations as you use the HopSports. I advise to really get in there and explore the different videos and activities that are on there. I found so much new stuff once I take a little time and I get in there and I look and see what it is. They have activities for kindergarten. They have activities for elementary, middle school, high school. You have sports stars that come in and do some activities with the kids, movie stars. There's all kinds of stuff. African drumming, they have basketball. It's not just about exercise. Beatboxing, or what is it called? Beatboxing, where they make the sounds with their mouths and stuff like that. The kids really enjoy stuff like that. So if you get in there and you really explore, you're going to find something that your kids will like. It's a great system. All right, little things. Wondering why there's no sound? Speaker's not plugged in. So you got to go here in the back. Here's your wire that goes directly up, and it plugs into the back of the speaker right there. You turn it on, a little on-off switch on the front, turn it on, and now I should have the sound I need.